Hey everybody, this is Home Theater Man back on a video. Today I want to talk to you guys about my Roku Ultra. I was able to sync my Roku Ultra to my Logitech Harmony Pro 2400 to my Logitech Pro 2400 Remote Control. So one thing I want to show you guys is watch Roku. I have different activities. Also got devices as well, which is nice. So you go down. Got Roku Ultra. One that I want to show you guys as well. It's pretty cool. So if you go to activities, I'm on control. You can scroll, do all your two activities. I don't know what I did here. The wrong thing here, guys. Okay, guys. As I get to my screen, this is my pop-up screen. What I'm seeing, my Logitech Pro on my Logitech Harmony Pro 2400. Yeah, YouTube TV. Oh, messed up. Yeah, YouTube TV. Go down. You got YouTube TV. Got Hulu. There's all my apps I have on my Roku Ultra. So if you go to watch me, click this. So if you go to Disney Plus, watch this, guys. I'm about to click Disney Plus. What goes to kids actually? Wasn't that cool? Or I can go to let's just say Disney Plus. When it comes to Disney Plus, guys, so I was able to install this myself for a nice setup I have on Roku Ultra. On my Logitech Pro 1200 Remote Control. And notice I'm watching Home Alone 2. That's in New York. If I want to go to like a different setting on Remote Control, I can go to like Roku Channel and switch to the Roku Channel, guys. Isn't that nice? So that's all I'm gonna do is go to down to activities, my favorites. Just go down to favorites. And it shows you all the favorites and stuff. It's pretty cool. That's how you switch to one thing to another on the Roku Ultra. These are all my apps for the Roku Ultra, guys. All of them stuff. It's very convenient when you want to work with this, when you want to work with the Roku Ultra. This honestly, I feel like the Logitech Harmony Pro 2400 Remote Control. It works better than the Amazon Fire Stick, guys. I had issues. I had an Amazon Fire Stick before. It was real glitchy on the remote control and stuff, guys. So again, here it is. So this is plus, so a nice feature I have. I like this. So I just want to show you guys that on my Roku Ultra. It's pretty cool, nifty feature from my Logitech Harmony Pro 2400. So I can go to different. And one thing I like about the Roku Ultra that my other streaming devices never did is that I can actually watch this, guys. If I play the movie, you guys notice the volume bar is going up. The volume bar is working on my Roku Ultra now. It was before the Amazon Fire Stick and Dish Network on Comcast. The volume bar never worked. I never even see the volume bar. All I see is the receiver bar up in the top left corner. That was it. Finally, I was able to get that going by myself. Last time I had a smoke control. I first got a smoke control done. I had Geek Squad do it. Nah, I'm starting to figure. Now I'm starting to figure out how to control the smoke control. It's really nice, guys. I love it. Again, hope you guys like subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this. Let's see if we can reach. Let's see if we can reach 400 subscribers before the end of the month, guys. I'd like to reach 400. Let's make that our goal. Let's see if we can reach 400 subscribers before the end of the month. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. answer you guys' questions. Again, Home Theater Man over and out. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Bye.